Hi, good evening. This is Jay, or I'll be sharing this to my YouTube channel, which is Chimay TV. This might be my first travel vlog. I think it's 9:30 in the evening. We will be going to Sagada Mountain Province, 450 kilometers away from here in Cavite. 13 to 16 hours depending on how many stopovers we will be taking. Please like, share. Tonight we will be traveling for about 480 kilometers going north from Manila, and this is my motorcycle. It's Yamaha model 2019 SZ16 150cc. Quick shout out to George and to his kid Keki. It's 9:30 in the evening. Estimated time arrival in Sagada, Switzerland, maybe 1 p.m, 2 p.m in the afternoon. See at the end of this video what time we will be arriving. Total mileage 87,927 kilometers. Gonna take some gas. First go. By the way, this is our neighborhood. Welcome to Bria. Since this travel is sponsored by my friend George from US, I'll try my best to speak in English so that everyone can understand. Mostly the thing that you're gonna hear here on this video is just wind noise, my motorcycle's engine. During our stopovers, we will be filming some sceneries on our stopovers. We're planning to get a microphone. I haven't invested yet on a good filming device, GoPro, the 360. Right now I'm using a cell phone. Adjusting my helmet now. Full tank. Tas na. Can accommodate up to 20 groups. Hi Kuya. Kuya, mag-check in ako. Solo lang ako ngayon. Pero if ever may mga kasama ko, Kuya, mga magkakano per pax.
Per pax, ang minimum dito sa Sagada kasi na yun, 500 per pax per head.
So, kahit grupo sila or mga 20 perasong tao, 100 per head pa rin. Ako lang mag-isa, Kuya. Bale, anong i-recommend mo sa akin?
May pang-room tayo na, pwedeng solo.
Solo na lang. Pero 500 pa rin yan. Nga, pagsa lang ako rito, placing a subtitle below. And for what we talked about earlier, how much is the accommodation here and how you will check in on this lunch. So, big shout out especially to George and Keiki for sponsoring this travel of mine. I'll be showing later my room. We'll be going to our room now. This is the second floor. Lounge for second floor. And this is gonna be my room. It's for solo. Yeah. Basically, this is the room. 500 pesos worth per night. Yep, that's the view outside. And they said comfort room, shower room is here. Has a water here. Got a bowl. It's a common CR. Also there. Storage room. Outside. George, big shout out for Keki, also for Aaron and some other people from Meta or O. Send more funds for me for more travels. I only use motorcycle, as you can see earlier. I went out for about 9 p.m. last night. Right now it's already 3 p.m. So, yep, that's it. Bye.